We are in Netherlands. We're visiting Amsterdam. I will take you along what we visit. We kind of have a plan, but not the plan that I would put on paper. We just want to park our car, go in the city center and do everything by foot all day. And also try to test things, and I will take you along. We will go to red light district and blue light district, but it's no filming or photographing zone there because everyone knows why. So this is just for checking the place out with the boys, and that's kind of it. So stay tuned. But first, I'm gonna tell you a few things about Netherlands and Amsterdam. The Netherlands is a country in northwestern Europe. It's known for a flat landscape of canals, tulip fields, good cheese, windmill and cycling routes. The capital is Amsterdam and the official language is Dutch. And Amsterdam is the Netherlands capital, as I said, known for its artistic heritage, elaborate canal system and narrow houses with gabled facades. Legacies of the city's 17th century's golden age, and its museum district houses the Van Gogh Museum, works by Rembrandt and Vermeer at Rijksmuseum Museum, and the house where Jewish diarist Anne Frank hid during World War II. And what else? Red light district, as I said, and other smoking things. Cycling is the key to the city's character, and there are numerous bike paths. Now, look here. The comic death with the joint in its mouth. A lot of artists singing and doing stuff, but the most important thing that we came for is this. The stroopwafel. The very best stroopwafel and the flower market. As you can see, there are way cheaper products in the flower market. The problem is I've bought them and I was scammed big time, meaning I've bought tulips a certain color, 3 certain colors, and I don't have that certain colors on my tulips, and I bought amaryllis bulbs, and instead of the colors that I've bought, they are not those colors at all, and not that type of amaryllis. And really I was scammed big time, and I am very disappointed. So next time I'm going to Amsterdam, I will buy everything from Keukenhof, because okay, it's expensive, but I have the guarantee that I have the product that I've bought. Now we were heading here to the red light district, but we didn't film there, just the road 2. Now, first things first, we left Leiden early in the morning and we headed through to Amsterdam. We made this road in 45 minutes and we headed to a parking space. It was very expensive. It was €3 per day, the cheaper one, and we asked the local where can we park the car being a bit cheaper. So he told us to go in the northwest side of the city and take a bus from there, and we managed to park our car with €11 for 8 hours, and from that part we took the tram. The guy forgot to tell us that it's not going to the Dam Square where we headed to. So at a certain point he said, okay, this is the end of the road, you have to go down. And I said, great, I told you about the Dam Square, remember? And he said, okay, take this bus and it will take you there. Bus took us to the train station, also to the port in the north, and from that moment we walked for 15 minutes. At return, we realized that the same bus that left us there is the same bus that it can take us straight to the location that we left the car. So we arrived in the Dam Square, walking a lot. We did, I don't know, I think 20 kilometers by foot that day. We were crazy tired. We went to the flower market, as I told you. Then we stood around the Dam Square and visited the canals. Stopped for lunch, eat something, and then we had another stop to drink a coffee because we were really tired. Other than that, we went to see the shops a little bit. The Primark shop was huge, but very interesting and nice. And we enjoy a little bit the nightlife. We went to the blue light district, and it was 3 windows with she-males, I think they are, and ugly as crazy, and I was shocked, and I said, okay, let's go to the girls. But when we arrived at the red light district, me and the boys were head down, walking and looking at our feet because we were ashamed to look at them, at the girls. So that's that. We arrive again in the Dam Square, and we enjoy the lights and the masks. Amsterdam by night is very nice. Maybe next time I can convince them to go to see the museum plane, Van Gogh or Anne Frank. But this was our day. We have a lot of fun and laughs, and that's kind of it. If you like to see our full series, on the left side you have the video of Bruges first day from this tour, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you guys later. Bye!